Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's not going to be anything that's food related or kitchen related. This one is actually lifestyle related. So this one is for the Annke baby monitor system. So I'm going to unbox this and I want to test it out and I want to see just how great it works. So once you open up the box, you get your user manual. Then we have a nice size monitor, really nice size, that opens to the back here, so we can have this standing. So we have the actual camera. Isn't this cute? Here is, this would be if you wanted to attach the camera to a wall, you would use this, but I don't think I want to attach it to a wall. Then we have our power plug. So we got two of these, one for the monitor, one for the camera, and then two USB plugs. And here are the screws if you wanted to put this on the wall. So these are the two, so I'm going to just connect everything. We'll probably need to charge these before we actually test it out.
Mommy?
So you're going to take your first USB and plug it on in the back of the device, the camera itself. So that's one. And then we're going to do the same for the monitor. So let me look for that. It's right on the side here. And now I'm going to plug these two things on. Now for the camera, this needs to be plugged on at all times. But for the monitor, you'll plug this on. For the monitor, you'll plug this on. And once it has charge, you can move around with it. But just remember that the camera needs to be plugged on at all times. So guys, to fix that problem, you're going to press this little mic button. You'll see the screen come up with the volume. You're going to press and the volume is going to go down. That was really tough. So if you guys didn't hear me, if you're having that feedback when you put this on, you press this little mic button. Then you would see the features on the screen. You use the arrows to go down or up to set that. But you guys, can you guys see how clean this is showing? It's showing really clean. So let me just wait. Look there, you'll see me. So you're using these side and up and down arrows to help you move up and down. Now to switch to the lullaby stage, you hit this little music button here and then you select which lullaby you want. You hear that? And then you can go to the other one, hit OK. So there we have 5 and then we have the all button. Let's go on that, where if you hit the all button, what it will do is it will play all of the lullabies in a loop for you. So I'm going to take that off. So back, press the lullaby button. And you want to double press on it to stop it and then you hit the exit button. But I'm gonna let me bring the camera a little closer so you guys can see exactly how clear this is, because it's showing really well. So guys, I have my camera across from me, so I'm not gonna show you guys, it's just sitting right there. And what I want for you guys to see is, let me move into the camera shot. Right, so you guys can see how clean it's showing. You guys see that? Really clean, really nice. So you can always adjust. Remember, you got your user manual. You read through your user manual. Make sure guys, you have to read through your user manual. But the lullaby function is easy. We have the menu button. Once you press that menu button and then you use your arrows to scroll from left to right. And this is really user friendly. So if you guys are in the market for a baby monitor that is really affordable, works really well, I have to say get one of these, because testing it out, it works really amazing. You don't need a few days to test this. you're gonna get your results one time. So I mean, it's perfect. I've been using it now and I'm not seeing a problem with it. It's working really well, and I'm definitely going to be using this. So although my son is a toddler, we still need to keep an eye on them because they can wander and do things when you're not looking. So if I'm in the kitchen and he's in the living room, this is such a good investment piece to have. So I can have this, see what he's doing while he's in there, because you know sometimes they make mischief, right? So if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these, and you don't even need it for a baby alone, you can use it for adults also if you have sick parents. So if you guys need one of these, I will leave the link to purchase it down in the description box. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. It's really super easy to put together and to use, and as I said, the cord is long and nice, so that's a plus in my book. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Thank you all so much for watching. Make this purchase, let me know, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.